Hey guys, we are all going to Olympic National Park today. We just started our trip. Alok, say hi. Yashwant, especially came from San Jose to go to Olympic National Park. Yeah, it's a 3-hour drive. We'll stop in between to Costco to get some gas and some water, maybe protein bars, and then we'll head to Olympic National Park. Yeah, we'll see you there. We have now come to Safeway. We decided to come to Safeway because Costco, there were so many people in Costco. So we came here. Also my friend told me that you don't need to say National Park all the time. So it's just Olympic from now. See, these are the two jokers walking in front of me. See, Alok is so pissed. He wanted to be in the video so bad last time.
No, I don't want.
Now he doesn't want to be. Say hi, Ashwin.
Hi. Hope you like the clicked video.
Bro, you record a video, you click a photo.
Now you have to say so many things, okay? We are starting our first day in Olympic. We got ready. We are leaving our motel room now. This is our motel. Yashwant and Alok getting into the car. We thought that we'll leave early, but now because of these people, mainly Alok, they always get late.
Let's go!
Whoa! Hey, we are on our way to our first destination, Hurricane Ridge. The plan is to go in circle around Olympic National Park in 3 days. So this is our first stop. We're trying to click some pictures. So there's a board which says "Welcome to Olympic National Park." We're clicking some pictures here. Starting our first hike on Hurricane Ridge. How are you guys sitting? You're tired. This is us going back. Say hi, Alok. Yo. Bye. We are here on a second point of the day, Suldog Waterfalls. This is in between a rainforest, so it's going to rain. We have all the gears like gloves and jackets. Suldog Falls, 0.8 miles. Okay, now we have decided to go to Mere Falls. How far is it? Look.
1 hour.
1 hour far, but we are going by, like, we are going to drive there and then we'll chill over there. So yeah, this was a nice waterfall. Let's go to Mere Falls. Vamos!
Vamos!
Alok, ready?
Yes.
Let's go!
किसका फोन है?
This was a complete loop. We saw the waterfall, now we are heading back to the lake. We'll sit there and spend some time chilling. Maybe have some beer. I don't know. Alok cannot have anything because he's driving. But yeah, the waterfall was really great. Definitely come and see it again. Yo, what's up? We're going, this is our day 2 and we are going to, where we are going? Ozet Trail. It's a 9-mile trail. It's going through the beach and we'll be reaching there in 1 hour 35 minutes. It's 70 miles from our place. So yeah.
Hi Mitash.
Hi.
What do you think about this trail?
It's going to be a long trail. 9 miles, right?
9 miles round.
It's a triangle
Trip.
trail. So we'll be coming back to this place, right?
Hello guys.
Plan, prepare, protect.
कुछ spots है क्या?
Into wilderness. Step 1 plan. Park wide or Z.
4 miles.
4 miles. Hiker must always use overland trail to round
इधर
headland.
अपन इधर है ना?
Let's start. We have reached Camp Alawa. I can see a lot of people here. This is basically a campground. Yeah, I think we'll turn back from here. Yashwant and Alok is waiting for me. We'll go back, we'll complete the triangle. We have reached one end of the triangle, so now we have to go to the second and then back. We are here in between some place. I don't see Sand Point yet. It's like full of rocks, some bad views. I don't know why people come here. That's why I'm not seeing anyone. Okay, we'll try to record again on Sand Point and then we'll go back from there. I think there's a 3-mile hike again from there. How are you liking this trail till now, Yashwant, Alok?
I love it.
You love it?
Best trail ever.
Yeah, don't have to lie.
It was good.
It was okay. Yeah, I didn't like it. We'll go back now. Our battery died in the first camera, so we are using the second. We are still there, going through the beach. These people, I told them to walk slowly before. See now, they're so behind. They're like walking so slow. But yeah, this will go on for another 2 miles. I'll check in between. This is a checkpoint now. At last, a better beach. We see some sand. It's better than the rocks. These guys are so slow. I'm literally running in front of them. Yeah. Okay, this is the Pacific. You can see rocks over there. I don't know if you can see those. But yeah, I can't zoom more than this. They're way back in the center of the ocean. I don't know if we call it center, but it's way back there. We're about to reach Sand Point now. Maybe 0.2, 0.3 more miles. And then we'll take a left turn towards the jungle. This is a good beach. It's an okay beach, I'll say. A lot of seaweed. And the sand is not that good, but still, it's a beach. The wind is not that cold. I think the water is too cold. I tried to put my hand in it. It's too cold. A weird rock in the center of ocean. It looks like Godzilla is coming out of ocean. There's nothing so exciting about the trail. It's like just walking for 9 miles, seeing things which are like underwhelming. But yeah, this is a trail. We went around a triangle. We're almost halfway there, like more than halfway there. So I think we only have like 3 miles remaining for the trail. We'll go back in the car and then we'll thinking about going to another small trail. Goodbye beach. Now we are entering the jungle, finally going away from this rocky ass beach. Now this is like far more better than what we are walking from 3 miles. So now these 3 miles, the coming 3 miles are between the forest. The lady we were talking to, she said don't take right from here, so we have to take a left, and we'll try to remember that, because right is like all the campgrounds. Like they're still thinking about going to left or right. We are going left. There are 3 more miles to go. I'm liking this much more than the rocky beach. There's like some way to walk, some path. There was no path there. Hey Yashwant, how was the 9-mile trail?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Did you like the ocean part?
Yeah, it was fine.
I didn't like it pretty much. It was all rocky. Alok, what about you? Are you tired?
No.
Will you be able to drive?
Yes.
Can I show you dashboard?
No.
Bye bye Maple Glade Rainforest Trail.